Andreas Mogensens is about to make his first spaceflight as an ESA astronaut. He'll be launched from Baikonur in Kazakhstan this September, becoming the first person from Denmark to travel into orbit. With a background in aerospace engineering, Mogensen has previously worked on space science projects, including ESA's lunar lander program. For him, becoming an astronaut may seem like a natural progression, but it's been a whole new experience.
Of course, I had expectations before I started, but the job as an astronaut is so unique. I think it's difficult to have a realistic sense of what to expect. So certainly some things have been what I expected. I mean, the excitement, the uniqueness, the wonder of human spaceflight is exactly what I thought it'd be.
Mogensen was selected for ESA's astronaut corps in 2009. Since then, most of his life has been taken up by a rigorous training program, preparing him for the upcoming 10-day mission to the International Space Station. After basic training at the European Astronaut Center in Cologne, Germany, Mogensen has spent many months working across the facilities of the station's international partners. On mock-ups and simulators based in Europe, Japan, the USA, Canada and Russia, he's learned a complex set of new skills for living and working in orbit. As for all astronauts traveling to and from the station in the Soyuz spacecraft, survival and recovery training have been essential. The Russian Space Agency makes sure the crew knows what to do should the capsule splash down in water, or if they need to make an extended stay in freezing remote conditions while rescue arrives. In addition, Mogensen has had the chance to experience unique environments that replicate some of the challenges of space. 20 meters underwater, just off the coast of Florida, NASA's Aquarius laboratory provides an ideal base for so-called aquanauts to test tools and techniques for spacewalks. And deep inside these caves in Sardinia, it's possible to experience a similar sense of isolation to that felt by a crew in orbit. For a new astronaut, overcoming challenges like these has been invaluable, as well as something of an adventure.
The ESA Caves mission that I was a part of a few years ago, where I spent a week living underneath the ground in a gigantic cave system. The two NASA NEMO missions that I've been able to participate in. I mean, all these things are fantastic opportunities in and of themselves. So to have them and then to go to space as well is just really it's what makes this job so unique and so fantastic.
As a qualified Eurocom, Andreas Mogensens has spent many hours communicating with astronauts on board the ISS from the Columbus Laboratory Control Center in Germany. Yet, despite this, and 6 long years of training, this first short spaceflight will be a completely novel and unique experience. One that will stand him in good stead for his career as an ESA astronaut.